Where are you from?
Hello. From
Nepal.
Nepal,
Okay,
Pokhara.
Nepal. What is your name? Where are you from?
I'm from Dubai. Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yes. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know Bangladesh. Your president already gone, right?
Yeah. Where she is gone, do you know?
Ah, in our
I-
country,
In your country?
India.
India is
Yeah,
your country?
we will not give you.
Do you like her?
No, 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 I don't like her. We will kill her from our India.
Oh, that's good. Are you Muslim?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So,
And you?
yeah, I am Muslim. Alhamdulillah. So, what are you doing right now?
I'm doing my work
Work?
in my office.
So, United Arab Emirates. What time is it now in your country?
United Arab Emirates. Yeah,
Emirates. It's Arab. It's I mean Arabic country now.
yeah. You don't know UAE, Dubai.
Dubai. Oh, Dubai is United Arab Emirates. Emirate.
United United Arab Emirates means there is a GCC country. You know, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah, Al Quwain, Fujairah, like
Oh
that.
yes.
It's all everything called UAE, United Arab Emirates.
Okay. So
And
originally, where are you from?
Dubai is the state of UAE.
Okay, I got it. Okay, very good. So originally, where are you from?
I'm from India, Kerala.
India, Kerala. So a lot of
Yeah,
people Dubai, different country in India, of India.
yeah, exactly. Your Bangladesh peoples also.
Also,
And my
yes.
colleagues also. I have some friends, my colleagues from Bangladesh.
So do you know currently Dubai's visa is available here?
No, no, no. I think the Bangladesh visa is stopped.
Stop,
Bangladesh and Pakistan already stopped.
stop.
They
So,
will start soon, inshallah.
so what do you think? It will be one day open this for visa?
I don't know. It will take time because you don't have president right now, right?
Yes, yes.
Your government is under control by army. So, and that's why the UAE government will not means will not uh, give visa for your Bangladeshi peoples.
Okay.